Congratulations on passing that syllabus quiz. I do hope you read the syllabus. Lots of important information in there. So you've made it to the course content page. Here you see Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. If you want to meet with me, if you'll email me, we'll set up a time. We can meet here. We can see each other's screens, and it's very, very useful. Here is your e-text and homework. Your Pearson e-text has already been loaded. It's right here. Underneath it are your mastering assignments, so your homework assignments. And here is our first tab, Chemistry in Our Lives. So each of these tabs has a learning objective, things that you're planning to learn this section, a checklist for the week so you know if you've completed all the tasks, a link to the online textbook, a link to your mastering homework and your extra credit, and lecture materials. Let's look at the homework. Here we've got graded homework at the top. This is homework you must do or you'll be penalized for it. This time we have 2 of them. Usually there's just 1. And then there's dynamic study modules. Dynamic study modules are all extra credit. They're incredibly useful, but they take a little bit of time, and so I don't make them mandatory. You go in here and it asks you a question. If you get it wrong, you get the chance to rework the problem until you get it right. So it's very good for practice and particularly for getting ready for exams and things. But to get the extra credit, you have to do them by the due date. Can't wait until the end. Okay, so let's go back to here. I wanted to point out that there are lecture materials here for you. You'll see a summary, there are PowerPoints, and usually they're lecture videos. I don't think I have too many on this section because it's the first one, and there's not a lot here. So let's go back. And at the very end, you'll see this quiz. You need to take the quiz in order to see the Chapter 2 materials. When you take this quiz, then the Chapter 2 materials will open. It is open book, and there's no time limit. But do your best work, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.